Hello everyone, in last tutorial we talked about text area and field set. Today I am going to continue the form, upload a file, and we are going to talk about a little more about how to input type text. I'm going to write one label here. Select your file. I'm going to write input type. What is the type of input file? And after that put accept. Here you can put any kind of file that the web page will gonna accept from you: audio, video, PDF, Word file. I'm going to put image for my form and then write a name. What is the name attribute? The name will be sent by the browser to the processing agent, and we will identify the file and its relevant information server side. This is for one accepting file, but if you want to more than one, you have to write multiple. And I refresh. Select your file. I wanna select this. See, select 5 files here because we write multiple here. Now I'm going to teach you another thing in input type text. I want to write a zip code here. Zip code. For zip code we have to write input type text. After that we need to write required. When you write a required means only you have to use that numbers or that pattern that you will gonna mention in pattern and title. After required pattern, this is pattern for common interest. This is for the zip code, and this is the pattern. This is the pattern. And after pattern, what is pattern? Specify the regular expression that is used to validate the entry. And what is the title? Text that is displayed in the tooltip when the mouse hovers over a field. This text is also displayed after the browser error message. You have to write must be C, and this is for writing a zip code, how to write a zip code, and this is how to choose a file. If I put 1 and open, only the file name. But when you multiple files, you will see only the number of files, 1 2 3 4 5, and how many files you select. This is enough for today's tutorial. I will continue this subject to my next tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.